Let's move on to the next question. The next question, it's going to be very similar to the other one. This says, let S be a sample space with E and F being two events associated with S. And then it gives you these probabilities. Suppose that the probability of E is 0.6, the probability of F is 0.3, and the intersection is 0.2. Calculate each of the following. Before I'd go any farther, I would draw the Venn diagram that we saw in the first problem. We know they overlap because they give us this number here is 0.2. Okay, so if this is E, the whole thing's 0.6. I've already got 0.2. That makes this 0.4. 0.4 plus 0.2 gives you the 0.6. And over here in F, the whole thing is 0.3. I've already got 0.2, so this has to be 0.1. Now let's go ahead and get another one here. What about the number on the outside? Everything's got to add up to 1. So if I add those two together, 0.4, 0.2, and 0.1, that's 0.7. So if I take 1 minus 0.7, that's 0.3. That's the number out here. I don't know if I'm going to need that, but that kind of finishes the Venn diagram. Okay, so this says the probability of E given F. So here's F. So it'd be 0.2 over 0.3. So that's 2/3. And as a decimal, that's going to be 0.67. The probability F given E. So we're given E, so that's going to be 0.2 over 0.4. That's 2 over 4. No, 2 over 6, I'm sorry. 2 over 6, which is 1/3. And that's going to end up being 0.33. The probability of E given F prime. F prime means complement. So if I take F out, what's left? The bottom number is going to be 0.7. So the probability of E, that's 0.4 over 0.7, or 4 over 7. And 4 divided by 7, that's going to be 0.57. And the last one says the probability is not an E given it's not an F. So if it's not an F, that puts us here. Not E is 0.3, so that's 0.3 over 0.7. I'll just put 3 over 7. And that should be 0.43.